Did you know that using AI can increase your YouTube views by up to 10 times? But 99% of creators are still not leveraging this powerful technology to grow their channels? This shocking fact is what drives many creators to seek out the latest tips and tricks for boosting their YouTube presence. However, with so much information out there, it can be hard to know where to start. That's why today, we're going to explore the top 5 AI tools you need to know to take your YouTube channel to the next level. From AI-powered video editing to AI-driven audience analysis, we'll dive into the most effective strategies for leveraging AI to grow your channel. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro, this guide will provide you with the actionable insights you need to succeed.
Let's take a deep dive into the world of AI in YouTube. One of the most powerful AI tools for YouTube creators is Luma, an AI-powered video editing software that can help you create stunning videos in minutes. With Luma, you can automatically edit your videos to make them more engaging, add music and effects, and even translate your videos into different languages. This is just one example of how AI can be used to streamline your content creation process and make your videos more appealing to your audience. Another key area where AI can be applied is in video optimization. By using AI-powered tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ, you can analyze your videos and identify areas for improvement, such as tags, titles, and descriptions. These tools can even provide you with suggestions for how to optimize your videos for better performance.
However, as with any powerful technology, there is also controversy surrounding the use of AI on YouTube. One of the main concerns is that AI could replace human creators, leading to job losses and a homogenization of content. While it's true that AI can automate certain tasks, such as video editing and optimization, it's unlikely to replace the creativity and originality that human creators bring to the table. In fact, AI can be seen as a tool that can augment human creativity rather than replace it. By leveraging AI, creators can focus on high-level creative decisions, such as developing their unique voice and style, while leaving the more mundane tasks to the machines. Another controversy surrounding AI on YouTube is the issue of bias and fairness. As AI algorithms are trained on large data sets, they can reflect and even amplify existing biases and prejudices. This is why it's so important for creators to be aware of these issues and to use AI in a responsible and transparent way.
So what does the future hold for AI on YouTube? As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more sophisticated tools and applications emerge. One area that's particularly exciting is the development of AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants. These tools can help creators engage with their audiences in new and innovative ways, such as through live streaming and interactive videos. Another area that's worth watching is the development of AI-powered content creation tools. These tools can help creators generate new and original content, such as videos, podcasts, and blog posts, using AI algorithms and natural language processing. While these tools are still in their early stages, they have the potential to revolutionize the way we create and consume content online.
So what can you do to start leveraging AI for your YouTube channel today? First, take some time to explore the different AI tools and platforms that are available, such as Luma, TubeBuddy, and vidIQ. These tools can help you streamline your content creation process, optimize your videos for better performance, and engage with your audience in new and innovative ways. Second, consider taking an online course or workshop to learn more about AI and how to apply it to your YouTube channel. This will help you stay ahead of the curve and make the most of the latest AI technologies. Finally, don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. AI is a rapidly evolving field, and there are always new and exciting developments on the horizon. By staying curious and adaptable, you can stay ahead of the game and achieve explosive viral growth on YouTube. So what are you waiting for? Like and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the latest AI news and trends, and to learn more about how to leverage AI for your YouTube channel.